What if you could build an AI agent that works for you, even while you sleep? Let's build it.
Hey, welcome users. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can build a simple AI agent that works for you automatically, right? Before going ahead, let's me explain our simple things, what AI agent can does, right?
Information summarized. Tasks completed.
Imagine you have a small program that can search the internet, right? Analyze informations and complete tasks without you doing anything, right? That exactly what an AI agent does. If we talk about in simple words, an AI agent is a program that can take some input, think using an AI model, and then perform an action based on the information, right? For example, summarize it and generate a short post. Instead of doing this manually every day, right? The AI agent can handle it for you, right? So here, what we are going to build today, we will create a small AI agent that automatically finds the latest AI news from the internet and generate a short summary, right? To build this, we can need a few things: an AI model to process the information, a backend script to manage the logic, and an automation system so the agent can run automatically. Right? Suppose let's break the process into simple. One is creating the AI brain, right? And the AI model receives a prompt and generates a response. Let's take an example to understand these things. For example, we can send a prompt like summarize the latest AI news in the three bullet points, and the AI will read the data and generates a clear summary. I will show you. I created this already. I already created this in my app, right? Step two is collecting the data, right? How AI agent need information to work with. Let's break it down into the simple example so you can understand the overall flow, how the AI agent working, right? We can fetch data from a news API in this time that provides the latest articles related to the artificial intelligence. When we get the articles, we send that data to the AI model so it can analyze and summarize it, right? I hope you can understand the flow, how a agent will work, right? The third step is automation, right? Instead of running the program manually every time, we schedule it to run automatically. This can be done using a simple scheduler. For example, you can set the AI agent to run every morning at 9 a.m. Perfect. So when the time comes, the agent will automatically collect the news, generate the summary, and produces the final result, right? Once everything is connected, we can run the AI agent and see the result. The program will fetch the news and process it using the AI model and generate a short summary like the latest AI model released and the new startups using funding or new developer tools launches this week. Right? This is the everything we will create in this tutorial, right? And after all of this, and the basic idea behind an AI agent, even through this example is simple, the same concept can be used to build much powerful system. For examples, AI can be automatically reply to emails, generate content, right, analyze data, or even manage entire workflow. So once you understand the core ideas, you can build many different automation tools using AI, right? Apart from this, let's talk about the codes. How can I build this, right? I will show you my mobile screens in after some times, so I can display the what will I make today, right? So this is the front end overview code where I was just creating a simple uh, UI where my AI agent is how my agent is working, right? Let me create my mobile phone so I can display you what I make. Hold a second. This is what let's see. Yeah, this one, right? This is my mobile app. You can see here right? This is my simple UI where my basic AI agent is running, right? Here you can see the here I have a simple inbox, right, where I can send the prompt to the AI, like he can use that prompt and collect the data from the internet and get data and collect them, and after all the data is collection, right, it send the data to the AI model, and that AI model will summarize all the collected data and give to me, right? How can I get this? So I can define here some task that is the AI agent will do for me, right? Here basically first what I've defined is fetch AI newses, and after that he can do summarize all uses in the article forms and generate insights, right? These three tasks, this AI model, when I run these three tasks, it will first it will collect the all AI newses. Second, it will collect the all articles, right? Summarize that articles from the collected data, and after all of two steps, it will generate a insights data for me, right? Now, here also I have added a mic where I can directly say the prompt, and it can directly return the prompt inside the box and send the prompt to the AI bot. Right? Let's test this. Right? Uh, just running the agent. It is now running and completed. Now it is just collect the data for me from the online sources, right? And he's collected the AI information's news headlines. And the first news headlines is what happens when US economic data becomes unreliable. There are some data collected here from the AI model, right? Basically, if you're talking about how can I get this data, I will explain you. I am using the API that is basically a hacker news API. There, basically, lots of the informations like AI related and the war and anything which whatever you news you wanted, all the data we are collected from this API, right? You can also use this API for your own college schools projects, right? If you need this API and how you can use this API, you just comment out, and I will drop the link or a GitHub repo where you can get the all accessible codes and you can get the all information about this agent, right? This is all about this video, right? And now this is the end of this video, and we will meet again for the new and trending topics to the related AI agents and the other things AI, right? So I hope you need you get the right information from this video, and I hope you will subscribe this account and follow for me. Let